Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to format a Word file like a pro. Let's dive right in. Setting up the document page. First, let's start by setting up the document. Go to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Here you can set the margins, orientation, and size of your page. For most standard documents, we use 1-inch margins, that is 2.54 centimeter, and letter size, or A4 paper. Choosing fonts and font sizes. Now let's choose our fonts. The font you use depends on the purpose of your document. If your document already has text or other content, press Ctrl+A. For formal documents, stick to fonts like Times New Roman, Arial, or Calibri. To change the font, go to the Home tab, and you'll see options for font style and size. Aligning text and alignment of document. Alignment is key to a neat document. To align the text, go to the Home tab and then go to the paragraph. You can align your text to the left, center, right. Adding headings and subheadings. Next, let's talk about headings and subheadings. Go to the Styles section in the Home tab and choose Heading 1 for main headings and Heading 2 for subheadings. Using proper headings makes your document easier to navigate and more visually appealing. Highlight your heading. You can also customize the styles by right-clicking on the heading style and selecting Modify. Using bullets and numbering. If your document includes lists, use bullets or numbering to organize the content. Highlight the text, then click on the bullets or numbering icons in the Home tab. Inserting page numbers and headers, footers. To add page numbers, go to the Insert tab, then click on Page Number. Choose your preferred style and position. Using tables and images. If you need to include tables or images, go to the Insert tab. For tables, click Table, then drag to select the number of rows and columns. And if you want more rows, then simply press the tab. For images, click Pictures and choose an image from your device. Checking spelling and grammar. Before finalizing your document, go to the Review tab and click on Spelling and Grammar. This tool will highlight errors and suggest corrections. Saving and exporting. Finally, don't forget to save your work. Click File, Save As to save your document. You can also export it as a PDF for easy sharing. And that's it. With these tips, you can create formatted Word documents in no time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.